It was incredible how fast they came in and got it all done.
And we love everything that this company has done for us.
They showed up when they said they would.
They did a really good job. They were really responsive.
Wasn't pushy, no pressure.
Ultimately, I just felt like they were the most qualified to do it.
Dogs love it. This is dog turf. They come out here, they play. The process literally only took, for our yard, this size, 1 day, which absolutely amazed my wife.
This is awesome. I mean, it's so easy. It just looks so nice when I look out in my backyard now. Instead of seeing mud, I see I see nice green. I love it. It's awesome.